Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Gerald Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's video tip is what happens when the facts don't match the records. What do I mean? I had a potential client come in and tell me a very interesting story about what happened to them. And it sounded so interesting that not only did I invite them in, but I told them I would investigate and look into their case. Now, there's no cost or expense for me to do that, but it begins a process where I go ahead and start obtaining medical records. When I got the medical records, I saw that there were inconsistencies between what this potential client told me and what was contained in the doctor's records. So I picked up the phone and called this person, and I said, there's something wrong here. The doctor's records indicate information that is inconsistent with what you told me. Can you explain? And the person explained, and for some reason that explanation just didn't sit well. So I said to them, let me get this straight. When you went to the doctor intended to treat you based upon the information and complaints that you gave them. Why on earth would the doctor put down information that was not accurate at that time? To which they couldn't give me an answer. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this because there are instances where, for whatever reason, the information that I'm provided is different than what's contained within the record. And in that instance, I have to reconcile and try and explain away why there are differences. And if I'm not satisfied with those differences, then I'm going to come back and turn around and say, I'm sorry, I can't help you, and that you need to go to another attorney to get another opinion. So when the facts don't match the records, I have no choice but to say, I'm sorry, you need to go to another attorney. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. Thanks for joining me.